Ano bang magandang butter for baking cookies? I've always answered this question based from my experience and preference. But today, let's put it to the test to find out. Welcome to episode 1 of a special LTK series, Battle of the Brands Butter Edition. This is part 1 of 3. Maraming brands ng butter, pero ang napili kong itest ay yung 4 na pinaka-affordable at pinaka-accessible, and we're ranking them according to price, aroma, taste, texture, and shelf life. So agad-agad kung according to price lang, here's the ranking. First si Queensland, next Magnolia, then Anchor, and last si Fletchard. Medyo mahal talaga si Fletchard kasi it's made with higher quality cream and has a higher fat content. Pero in fairness, mas affordable na rin siya compared to other European butters like Ellen Vir or President. This is part 2 of 3 of Battle of the Brands Butter Edition. Kung sa amoy at amoy lang, angat talaga ang Fletchard. Habang hinahalo mo pa lang to with sugar, amoy na amoy mo na yung bango. Kung sa aroma, top 1 ang Fletchard, next ang Anchor, tapos Queensland at last ang Magnolia. Kasi meron siyang artificial smell na parehas sa margarine, and upon checking, meron nga siyang added flavor na ironically nililabel nilang natural flavor. Sa lasa naman, pinakamalinamnam yung cookie na ginamitan ng Fletchard. This is as expected kasi nga sa amoy pa lang. Pero ang surprising ay pagdating sa lasa, pumapantay lang sa linamnam ang cookie na ginamitan ng Anchor. So, tie sila sa first place. Tapos, ang sumunod ay Queensland and last ang Magnolia. Actually, yung Queensland, wala siyang particular na lasa. Almost neutral, kaya ang nagsashine ay yung lasa ng chocolate sa cookie. Yung Magnolia naman ay may flavoring nga na lumalaban sa lasa ng chocolate, kaya siya last place. Ngayon, pagdating sa texture, we're focusing on chewiness and crunchy edges. Top pa rin ang Fletchard with the most chewy texture at remarkable crunchy edges. Tapos, tie ang Anchor at Queensland sa second place at last ang Magnolia since softer siya compared sa tatlo. Make sure to watch part 3 to see the shelf life ranking and follow for more if you're finding this helpful. This is part 3 of 3 of the Battle of the Brands Butter Edition. Sa part 1, we talked about the price and a little bit on the why. Sa part 2, we ranked according to aroma, taste, and texture. At ngayon naman, sa part 3, we're talking about how the brand of butter affects the shelf life of the cookie. So I checked these cookies 5 days after baking. Nilagay ko sa Ziploc plastic, kept at room temperature, and here are the results. Yung cookie na ginamitan ng Fletchard ang pinaka-moist. Actually, moist pa rin naman yung tatlo, pero as you can see here, mas na-retain lang talaga nitong ginamitan ng Fletchard ang kanyang moistness. And this is probably because of the higher fat content in Fletchard. It has about 82% fat while yung tatlo has 80% fat. Ang sumunod sa moistness ay Magnolia, followed by Queensland at last ang Anchor. I'm not sure why they differ since pare-parehas silang may 80% fat, but if you check the nutrition facts of these butters, you'll see differences in the type of fat they contain, and that probably plays a role pagdating sa pag-retain ng moisture. So in summary, ito ang ranking for the different factors na tinest natin. Ngayon, nasa sayo kung ano ang gusto mong i-prioritize sa mga factors na ito at kung ano man ang priority mo, dun mo ibase ang pagpili mo ng butter for baking cookies.